Okay, welcome back to the BSN channel. It's a very hot day. My brother's suffering. My mum's with me. We're gonna do the third lesson of Twi. We'll be discussing numbers from 1 to 100. So it might be boring for you to watch, but it's very good to practice these numbers. Let's begin. 1.
Baako.
2.
Mmienu.
3.
Mmiɛnsa.
4.
Ɛnan.
5.
Enum.
6.
Nsia.
7.
Nson.
8.
Nwɔtwe.
9.
Nkron.
10.
Edu.
Okay, so I'm gonna go right up to 10 quick, and then my mom's gonna go up to 10 quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ɛko. Ɛnɔ. Ɛsa. Ɛnan. Enum. Nsia. Nson. Nwɔtwe. Nkron. Edu.
Okay, so we'll start from 10. 10.
Edu baako.
No, 10. I never said 11, I said 10.
Edu.
11.
Edu baako.
12.
Edu mmienu.
13.
Edu mmiɛnsa.
14.
Edu 9.
15.
Edu num.
16.
Edu nsia.
17.
Edu nson.
18.
Edu nwɔtwe.
Did I say 19? 19.
Edu nkron.
20.
Aduonu.
Okay, this one's hard to pronounce, so do you mind breaking down the word 20?
Aduonu. Edu. 10 twice.
Yeah, but break down the word so it's easy to pronounce, because...
Aduonu. Aduonu. Aduonu.
Okay. 21.
Yeah, aduonu baako.
22.
Aduonu mmienu.
23.
Aduonu mmiɛnsa.
24.
Aduonu 9.
25.
Aduonu num.
26.
Aduonu nsia.
27.
Aduonu nson.
28.
Aduonu nwɔtwe.
29.
Aduonu 9.
30.
Aduasa.
31.
Aduasa baako.
32.
Aduasa mmienu.
33.
Aduasa mmiɛnsa.
Sorry, I'll say that again. 32.
Aduasa mmienu.
33.
Aduasa mmiɛnsa.
34.
Aduasa 9.
35.
Aduasa num.
36.
Aduasa nsia.
37.
Aduasa nson.
38.
Aduasa nkron.
39.
Aduasa
40.
Aduasa nkron. Aduanan.
Okay. We're not going to go through all the numbers because it goes the same, right? From when, if you look at the progression of the words, we're just gonna teach you how to say 50, 60,
That's
70,
the unit.
80, then 100, because you would know to add,
Instead
either
of units to
1,
10.
2 to it. Okay, so you have to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to it.
We're going to do 1, 10, 20, and
Okay, so quick to remind them: 1,
baako.
2,
Mmienu.
3,
Mmiɛnsa.
4,
Ɛnan.
5,
Enum.
6,
Nsia.
7,
Nson.
8,
Nwɔtwe.
9,
Nkron.
10.
Edu.
Okay. 20,
Aduonu.
30,
Aduasa.
40,
Aduanan.
50,
Aduonum.
60,
Aduosia.
70,
Aduoson.
80,
Aduowɔtwe.
90,
Aduokron.
100.
Wɔha.
Okay, but this gets a bit confusing, so let's say 101.
Ɔha baako.
Let's go to 110.
Ɔha edu.
111.
Oha edu baako.
112.
Oha edu mienu.
Okay, so now you understand how the progression goes. Okay, so we'll start from 100.
Oha.
Let's jump to 150.
Oha aduonum.
160.
Oha aduosia.
170.
Oha aduoson.
180.
Oha aduowɔtwe.
190.
Oha aduokron.
200.
Oha mienu.
300.
Aha miensa.
400.
Oha 9.
500.
Oha enum.
600.
Oha nsia.
700.
Oha enson.
800.
Oha nwɔtwe.
900.
Oha nkron.
1,000.
Apem baako.
Okay.
Apem. Yes.
Yeah, you can just say apim.
Yeah. Apem baako is.
Don't get confused by the plantain. I'm joking.
Apem.
Let's say an example. 1,200. Or 1,000. Let's say 1,100.
Apem oha.
1,200.
Apem ahanu.
1,300.
Apem ahasa.
1,400.
Apem ahan 9.
1,500, did I say?
Apem ahanum.
Let's go to 2,000.
Mpem mienu.
3,000.
Mpem miensa.
4,000.
Mpem 9.
5,000.
Mpem num.
10,000.
Mpem du.
100,000.
Mpem oha.
500,000.
Mpem aha enum.
1,000,000.
Opepepem.
Yeah, I love that. And you got billion, which is just repeating the same thing.
Yeah.
So what was
There
it?
it goes. Pim.
You just add the to make it more.
Pim.
Okay. How about when we say and a half? So if I say 2.5.
Mienu nefa.
Okay. I don't know how to say quarter. That's really hard. That's really proper old school tree to say quarter. There used to be a word that my grandma used to say a third and a fourth, but people don't use that no more. Okay, so you can get away with saying quarter. Quarter.
Efa is half.
Or you can say share 4, divide into 4. You right? Cut into 4.
Yeah, you try into 9.
Yeah, into 4.
Into 9.
9.
Okay. 9 4. Divide into 4.
Because
into 9.
You know, we have 4 legs, like animal. 4 legs. 9.
Yeah. So you can say a snake, efa, and then you go to a snake. Efa is half. A snake is half. You know, you have half again.
Half of it. So that's a quarter. Okay. Is there any more we want to say about number? Okay, there's things like first, second, third, fourth. We'll do stuff like that. So, how do you say first? Like, you're first.
Edikai.
Second.
Atosu mienu.
Third.
Atosu miensa.
Fourth.
Atosu 9.
Fifth.
Atosu num.
And then let's say
Tosu
100th.
nsia.
100th. We skip.
Atosu ha.
So if you know your numbers, you just sort of
Atosu.
when it's more than one, it's a tosu number.
Yeah, okay. Atosu, you know, one after.
Okay, so we're gonna start with things like once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, stuff like that. Okay, so once.
Preku.
Twice.
Imprenu.
3 times.
Imprensa.
4 times.
Imprenai.
5 times.
Imprenu.
50 times.
Mpre aduonum.
100 times.
Mpre oha.
Too many times.
Mpre pii. Mpre pii. Too many times. Mpre pii.
That's the end of it, really.
Okay.
Is there any more advice you want to give about numbers? Or?
I think we will do the numbers again a bit more in details next time.
We'll talk about time as well.
Yeah.
You know, talk about, you know, the clock. There's different ways to do the time,
That's
you know, like quarter to, quarter
Mm.
past, you know. The time is a bit hard, I'm not going to lie. Even I forget how to do the time.
We'll do the next time.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed. If you like, dislike. Or if you haven't already, subscribe. Peace. Okay, welcome back to the BSN channel. Today is lesson 2 on the tree, Asante dialect of tree. Today we'll be